So welcome everyone. We all have practiced a lot, okay, for this wonderful activity. I hope we all do it best from our side. And this is 17th of July, and today it is celebrated throughout the world, okay. And basically, we have accepted this International Day of Justice so that everywhere in the world there is peace, there is harmony. Everyone feels that Earth is a better place to live, okay. World Day of International Justice is observed on 17th of July every year, okay, and this is basically observed everywhere in the world for all the countries. This day also goes for other names like Day of International Criminal Justice or International Justice Day. So by these names also in different countries it is being observed, it is being celebrated. So this day gives victims power, okay. International justice is strengthening every day, and people need to be made well aware of that, okay. And that's the reason why we have got this activity today, so that you can understand what is the importance of International Justice Day. And I would request Rajni ma'am to please go for introducing the characters of the activity today. Please, ma'am.
Namaskar and welcome once again, everyone. I'm glad to introduce my proud participants of the mock jury activity. So please welcome them. Amira Mittal as judge, Bhavya as defense lawyer, Gatik as prosecutor, Shubhi as customer, Aditya as worker, Pihu as parent of the child, Manan Tibra as hotel owner, and Vedic as the child. Okay, so now I would request to the participants to start the activity.
Sit down, everyone. Is the prosecutor and the defense lawyer ready? Please start the proceedings. Does the defense lawyer want to say something about it?
My lord, all action on my client are false. My client has given birth to a boy with the due permission of one of his parents who are suffering financially.
Do you want to say something in your defense?
Yes, my lord, I have employed this boy just to help his family, and I give him small works according to his age. Objection, my lord. I have a witness proof that this man is lying. Ma'am.
Call the witness.
Have you seen this child working in the hotel? Tomorrow's hotel, and I have seen this child working there many times in the late night. What kind of work the child does in the hotel? Sir, I have seen him cleaning tables, washing utensils, and many other tiring work. Does the hotel owner abuse the child also? Yes, sir. I have seen the hotel owner saying bad words to the child in front of other customers also. Right, Lord. I am another eyewitness also who was the hotel open. May I present him before the court?
Permission granted. Do you want to ask something from these two witnesses?
No, sir. Although I want to call the child parents in the witness box. Are you the child parent? My lord, all the action on my client are false. My client, my lord, it is clear that the child was working in the hotel with the permission of his parents, and the parents are much aware with the nature of the work done in the hotel, so my client is not guilty.
After hearing both the sides, the court has reached to a decision that the hotel owner has kept a minor as a worker. Under Article 84, a minor cannot be employed for such work even with the permission of their parents. So, the court is imposing the fine of rupees 50,000 on the hotel owner, which has to be paid within 15 days. The court is adjourned.
Ma'am, I think the child labor is that the who people are making work with the child. So
Very
that
good,
is
very
called
good.
child labor.
That thing that government has not allowed to do in our country, and it is child labor is that children work under 14 years. Ma'am, keeping childs in factories as a worker is known as child labor.
Wonderful, wonderful. Exactly correct, Surbi. Hiring a child as a worker in factory is a kind of child labor, or in factories or hotels, anywhere. Okay, if a child is being hired as a worker, then it is child labor, and Indian government bans child labor. It is illegal. We cannot hire children for working. So everyone understood, children, today what was the motive of the activity? It was to make you realize that child labor is a punishable offense. Okay.
Okay, dear students. So that's all for today. And once again, thank you very much to join, and a great effort by the participants. So thanks a lot to them. Namaskar, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.